Welcome back to J Learning. Today we are learning about animals. Earth is a big place. Millions of living things find home in many different environments around our planet. With so many living things and so many environments, what can scientists do to understand life in our world? One thing they do is classifying living things. Classifications is a way to put things into groups based on their similarities. Animals can be grouped by their body parts and how they live. First, mammals. Mammals is an animal that has fur and or hair that make milk to feed its young or babies. Most mammals grow inside their mothers and then are born alive. All mammals use lungs to breathe. Second, a bird. A bird is an animal that has feathers and wings. Feathers keep a bird warm, dry, and help it fly. A bird has two legs and a beak. It uses lungs to breathe. Reptiles. Reptiles is an animal's whose skin is covered with dry scales. All animals use lungs to breathe, and most have 4 legs. Four, amphibians. An amphibian is an animal that changed from water-breathing form to air-breathing form. They have smooth and moist skins. Most amphibians lay their eggs in the water. The young or baby begin their life in the water and uses gills to breathe underwater. When amphibians become adults, they breathe with lungs. 5. Fish. A fish is an animal that lives in waters and has gills. Most fish are covered with scales and have fins. Fish live in the water all of their life. 6. Insects. Insects are animals that have 3 body parts and 6 legs. These body parts are the head, thorax, and abdomen. Spiders are not insects. They have 2 body parts and 8 legs. You know a bat? Dolphin and whales is actually a mammal. You guys must be saying that bat is a bird and whale and dolphin is a fish. But that's wrong. You know that animals need this all? Animals need energy to live and grow. Animals get food by eating other organisms. Animals need to get a rest and sleep. Animals need to take a rest to refresh their body and mind. Did you know that more than half of our body and an animal body is water? All living things are full of water. They use the water in their bodies to break down food and get rid of waste. They use it to transport food through their body. Living things need a regular supply for water to stay healthy. Animals need oxygen to survive. Oxygen is a gas found in air and water. Every time you breathe, you take in oxygen from the air. Fish and clams and most other sea animals get oxygen from the water around them. Space. Again, animals need space or room. Animals need space to move and find food. This picture. This is an animal that is reproducing. Animals' habitats. First, tropical rainforest. There was tapir, boa snake, tiger, bat, and orangutan in the tropical forest. And there is other animals. The second habitat, wetland. There was a grape, dragonfly, duck, turtle, and water snakes live in wetlands. And there's other animals. Habitat, ocean. There are jellyfish, sea snail, anima, lionfish, and eel living there, and etc. Fourth habitat, desert. There are vultures, scorpions, ostrich, rattlesnake, meerkats, and camels live there, and other animals also live there. Fifth habitats, savanna. There are horse, bull, lion, giraffe, and feral pig live there, and there's other animals. You know that actually there's a bird named kiwi? No, not that kiwi. Not this kiwi. But this kiwi, there is a real sponge. And not SpongeBob, I mean. Not this. But this sponge. This sponge names Tube Sponge. Their structures. One structure that is useful for classifying animals is a backbone. Backbone is here. Here is the backbone. A backbone is made of many small bones running down the center of an animal back. Animals with backbone are called vertebrate. Tigers, dogs, eagles, and goldfish are examples of vertebrates. Animals without backbones are called invertebrates. Most of animals on Earth are invertebrates. Invertebrates lack more than backbones. They have no bones inside their bodies at all. Insects, spiders, worms, and jellyfish are common invertebrates. But are some vertebrates? There are mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fish. What are some vertebrates? Invertebrates can be found all over Earth. They live on land and in water. Most are small like insects. A few, such as a giant squid, can grow as long as a school bus. The photo Some invertebrates are tube sponge, flatworm, sea star, ground jellyfish, rainbow-colored squid, northern lobster. Guys, see you on the next video. I will make parts of these videos because the videos is not fit. So, bye guys, see you on the next videos.